Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make water slime. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: clear glue, plain water, and a reliable slime activator. Make sure you have 2 separate mixing bowls and a spoon or craft stick for stirring. It's also a good idea to protect your work surface, as making slime can sometimes get a little messy. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the base for our water slime. Take your clear glue and pour exactly 1/2 cup into one of your mixing bowls. Next, carefully measure out 1/4 cup of plain water and add it directly to the glue. Stir these 2 ingredients together very well. You want to make sure they are fully combined, creating a smooth, consistent liquid before moving on to the next step. This is where the magic happens. In your second, separate bowl, prepare your activator solution. Mix about 1/2 teaspoon of your chosen slime activator with 1/4 cup of water until it's fully dissolved. Now, slowly pour this activator solution into your glue and water mixture, stirring continuously. Keep mixing until you see the slime starting to form and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Once your slime has mostly formed, it's time to get your hands in there and knead it. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect stretchy, non-sticky texture. Knead for several minutes until it feels just right. When you're done playing, always store your water slime in an airtight container to prevent it from drying out. And hey, while you're here, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money that could truly change your perspective, plus other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.